Well, good morning. It's day 4, and looking pretty good. Got up and immediately started packing camp. Sunrise was nice this morning. I'm starting to get into a little bit of a pattern that I think I could get into on the broader trip. But I have the most important thing: coffee. Oh, that's still hot. Wind switched around, let's say probably 2 o'clock last night. It was pretty west. Now it's almost southeast. So it's going to be a little bit harder between southeast and south today. Boat's still here. That's good. Oh, crumbs. I'm a messy eater. It's actually even lower tide now than when I pulled in. So it might make getting the boat out a little bit harder. But we'll see. One of the buildings crossed over in St. Petersburg, right? That's where I came from, St. Petersburg, was totally illuminated, looking like it had bright neon lights across the bay this morning. I was very confused, and I realized it had reflective windows. The sunrise is over there. It was just reflecting the sunrise. It took me a solid 5 minutes to figure that one out. I'm going to finish getting packed up here, enjoy some coffee, get on the water so that I can finish up in Sarasota at a reasonable hour this afternoon. See you guys out on the water. So we did it! 4 days, Tampa to Sarasota. I'm about to pull in to my final destination here. And Dad's waving at me as I'm shore right now. Holy hell! Making sure not to hit anything either. Wow. That was a serious vlog. Let's get in. I'm trying to surround. This video wraps up our 4-day shakedown cruise from Tampa down to Sarasota. Thank you all so much for sticking along. I've got some maps up here to show you our distances and times and speeds. If you guys want to continue to follow that, head over to my website, Climate Kayak and Conversation, or find me on social media at Climate Kayak and Conversation on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you guys so much for the support so far, and I'll see you out on the water.